Antonyms and synonyms. Abuse. Abuse. It is a noun. The use of something in a way that is wrong or harmful. So, abuse. It is the use of something in a way that is wrong or harmful. Synonyms. Misuse, misuse, ill-use, ill-use, ruin, ruin, damage, damage, injury, injury. Antonyms. Conserve, conserve, benefit, benefit, lord, lord, favor, favor, respect, respect. So, use in a sentence. Suspicion gave way to respect. Suspicion gave way to respect. Your abuses hurt my feelings. Your abuses hurt my feelings. Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Sometimes ruin can give great possibilities. Sometimes ruin can give great possibilities.